From day one, Double D has this problem. No gas is showing up. I can tell you right now I have about 3/4 of a tank, only because I do mileage with the overhead console display. There is 3/4 of a tank. Now, when I put the key in here, and now codes can only be removed or accessed via one of these little guys. Next time I get one, I'll get one with a longer cord, because this thing is super short and it's a pain in the butt. Now, let me turn the power on. Ding, ding, ding. And as you see, that last one was for this. There's a, I actually removed it, it was very annoying. The gas gauge light. Now, let's see. Select vehicle to read ABS codes. No. Yeah. Ship down. Sorry about the shaky camera. I got half the recording rig in my face. I don't know if you guys can see this. You probably can't. I'm going to scroll down there. It says read codes. Click enter. Communicating with the vehicle. It's communicating. At least somebody's communicating. If it is the code I think it is, please wait. They're having a nice little conversation. P0463. Yep, that's the code I thought it was going to be. Fuel level sensor A. Circuit high input. Now, I searched high and low for this code. I got many different definitions of what this code can be. And I did some searching for troubleshooting for this code. Now, let me show you what happens here. Watch this. Enter. Erase codes. Enter. Are you sure you want to erase the codes? Yes. Click enter to continue. Watch the gas gauge. Dude, I got a full tank of gas. Now, it won't be there for long. There'll be a ding, it'll go back down. Normally it takes about, there it goes. I can sit here all day and give myself a full tank of gas and an empty tank of gas. What I want to do is I want to do a visual inspection down underneath Double D, because the previous owner told me they had done some work under there, and I believe they may have messed up a connector or two, maybe even screwed up some pins. I'm hoping that's all it is. So let me go roll this guy up on a ramp. He has a lift, but you know what? It's just so much easier to have you guys, not you, maybe you, but having you guys being able to see what I'm doing when he's up on a ramp. So, give me a minute. We'll be right back. Well, for you guys, if it's just a second, I'll do the editing out, and you know how it is. Whew. All right. One of my favorite positions, flat on my back. All right, get you a little oriented here. Gas tank, truck bar. There's our connector. Looks just a visual of it. Looks like it's in where it's supposed to be. Now the wiring into the body right there. Hey, where you at? There's the hand. Goes up into the body right there. Now everything appears in order. I have not checked anything just yet. That is what we're going to be doing right now. Ooh. So, come on. Different wire colors. Not good. Well, let me put you guys down. I can see what I can see. Okay. We're doing a volts check. Key on, engine off. Pink wire, 5 volts on the body side, not the pump side. All right, going back under, round 2. All right, no other power. All right, fuel pump is not engaged because I believe it has its cycle. I don't normally like to do this, but since I'm not engaging the fuel pump, I installed the wiring for this guy. Even propped them up. And let me show you what we got. 1/8 of a tank. Cleared codes. No codes found. So the sending unit itself is bad. Previous owner said they changed the sending unit. Guess what? It didn't take. Seeing as I already have this new unit, I think I will just do the whole install. I gotta go, pull it out anyway, right? Bet you one of these wires came loose. Where's connector popped off? Probably. Alright. That's gonna be it for this round. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by. Doing a little, I can't really call it wrenching. Doing a little electrical diagnostic for a screwed up gas gauge in a 98 ZJ. And before any of you guys say anything, yeah, I checked fuses, I checked the relays, I checked all the wiring up to this point. So, as the camera slowly droops down, alright, so I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by, tooling around with me. That's a better term. Tooling around in the garage, the open air garage here at Everyday Offroad. Mother Nature looks a little pissed off again. I don't know what it is. Maybe I just keep pissing her off. I don't know. But let me go collect all my stuff, put this back in the box, put my tester back away, put all my lights away, and get Double D here down on the ground. I may do it this weekend because hopefully Mother Nature works with me on this. I am running quite low in gas right now. I have one more day to go to work and back, and you should be just about done. As low as of a tank of gas as I'm ever going to want to get with a crappy gas gauge. So, let us clean up our act. You guys, you know what? Do me a favor. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you want to see more of what we do around here, stuff like this, more stuff like this, stuff on Double D, Trail Rig, Gray, Nate's soon to be announced project, click the subscribe button and click the notification icon, that little bell, I believe it's a bell, and that'll notify you every time we post new content. Alright, so for Double D and me, catch you later, guys.